Many times people think that because they were hit by a car when they weren't in a crosswalk, say they were in a parking lot, they think that they don't have a claim. That's just simply not true. When you're in a parking lot, people are required to, when they're driving, are required to watch for pedestrians because there are so many pedestrians in parking lots. Same thing when you're walking down a street or you're crossing a street where there is no crosswalk. It's not always true because you're not in a crosswalk. It's not true that just because you're not in a crosswalk that you don't have a case. It depends on many factors. It depends on how fast the driver was going. It depends on how visible you were, whether it was daytime or nighttime. It's important before you make a decision on your own that you don't have a case because you were hit by a car as a pedestrian, that you come and talk to a lawyer who has experience in representing pedestrians against drivers of automobiles. That's especially true in the parking lot. I've handled 2 cases relatively recently where people were hit in parking lots when drivers were either going too fast or were busy watching for their next parking spot as opposed to watching for people in the parking lot. You would expect to see people in the parking lot, so it's important that drivers, when they're driving, that they look for pedestrians in the parking lot.